Hello everyone, good morning. We are here to start a debate, and debate topic is crisis breaks a man or makes a man. So we three are favoring crisis breaks a man because due to crisis there are huge problem, anxiety, and our mind feel very embarrassed. So we are favoring crisis breaks a man. थैंक यू थैंक यू ये मतलब हैंड का बोल
Hello everyone, I am Ananya Keshri. Hello everyone, I am Ananya Keshri, and we all are favoring that crisis makes a man because crisis force confront their fears and limitations and make their growth, personal growth, and boost their confidence and to better understand of oneself. Thank you.
And if you lose your all hopes, you do not give you ability to if you have the ability, you can prove it. You can face the crisis. Then you will become a success.
It's not about hope. Everyone has hope, and we wish that everyone not lose hope in any situation. It's all I'm saying what I'm saying. Just focus that crisis breaks a man. It may become in you may become due to your father's death, that you loss in your business, your your bad marks in your exam. Everything you face is in a bad situation is crisis. Suddenly is crisis.
Tell me one thing. In this generation, people are taking the help of crisis to if they are lose their hopes, they are taking a help of crisis, and they are giving the excuses that they are faced in their life. It is because of crisis, and they are what I think in this generation people are getting demotivated easily, and they are blaming to crisis that it is because of crisis.
I have example a man whose name Carly Hexon, which is in Hungary in 1958. His dream is to become the best man, make his hand the best in the world in the Olympics by winning gold 3 times. But in that decade he was in army, and then hand grenade blast in his right hand, and he all loses his hope. But the only thing he considers that he has also an extra hand to make his hand best in the world, and he did.
But it is about his story. What about this generation, this youth?
People are not well developed or well focused to their goal. This is the reason that's the reason crisis make them to divert their goals to the other part.
When we go to class 12, a lesson in English language, lost string, and there is two parts. One part is a story of a bangle maker, and one part is the story of beggar. Then both are suffering from crisis, and both are never give up. But at the end of that, they not feel like we are free. So there are so many examples. If you gonna to see, you feel.
It is not the perfect example.
Example of Malala Yousafzai. She survived with Taliban, and she faced a lot of problem in their life. But she raised her voice for girls' education. She also faced a lot of crisis.
And she makes her life.
She makes her life.
I absolutely agree.
How she became a successful lady.
To encourage girls
To encourage girls
to study.
Not only about Malala, there are so many stories.
Yes.
I don't remember the name, but there are lots of stories that prove that all these crises makes a man. Not always. There are some situations that proves that crisis makes a man, but it is very rare. Most of the time, I think crisis makes a man.
Yes. I want this to speak from you. That the girls whose story has not become viral like Malala Yousafzai have suffering from the crisis, as their stories are not live on the internet.
Yes.
I completely agree with all you do.
the female cricketer.
At last, I want to say The topic is very interesting and the debate is also very interesting. So at last I want to say the opinion of makes a man or breaks a man, it's all depend on time and situations. And I have so many examples of crisis makes a man. There is Sachin, MS Dhoni, Vinesh Fogart, and Dhirubhai Ambani, Thomas Alva Edison कह रहे थे यार हम तो Thomas Alva Edison, and so many other peoples. I can't count. So thank you and great day.
So the debate was very interesting. In conclusion, I want to only say that crisis is not only the dead end. It is a stepping stone toward your success. And sometimes may situation don't with you, but you have to overcome from it. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you like this debate, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much.